Okay, here's the bad battery, or supposedly bad battery of the Skydio 2. As you can see, it's showing the red light. Uh, so I'll go ahead and do it for 45 seconds. Hang on. You see the watch is going, and there you go, 44, 45, 46. Okay, and there you go. It's still red. See, press it, it's still red. So it's supposed to reset and then turn blue, right? So it haven't done so. All right. Okay, there's the charging hub, and it's attached to the adapter, wall adapter, as you can see there. Okay. Put on the battery. It's red. Okay, nothing happens. I've done this many times before, again, and it was there sitting for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, and nothing. All right. And I've charged this battery, the other batteries through this same outlet, so there is enough power to charge this battery. Okay, video number 3. I've got the drone with the power cord, and if I hit that, it's still red. So I've done this twice already, and nothing is happening. So, alright, just FYI, these are my 2 other batteries, and they're fully charged. Okay, so just to show that these batteries are working properly.